This is the Carrado T345. Now, all Carado models seem to be 2.32 meters wide. This is 6.78 meters long. I think they're all 291 high as well. I might be wrong on that. And I think one thing I see with Carado is a very good use of space, and particularly it seems as though you've got a football ground just there. Plenty of space there to play football if you wanted to. Well, maybe I'm exaggerating a little bit. There's another thing I particularly like about this is the separation of the shower from the toilet. So you've got to be a bit agile to get into the shower, but fair enough, this is a camper van. But at least you're not going to get the floor all wet when you come out the shower. Another thing which I quite like, you've got a lot of space there for your stuff, and so I think that's quite useful. Now the bed is not particularly large, but it's not bad. I'm sure you can get two people in there, or one incredibly fat person. Look at that. Now, how many camper vans, particularly in this class, can offer something like that? That is pretty outstanding, in my opinion. But it's not all good on the layout front. There's a lot of space here, but what's that bench doing there? Who's that for? I don't understand that at all. I think that's completely pointless. What would I put there? I'd probably put another... I like plenty of hanging space. I'd put a wardrobe there. I don't know if other people think the same as me as far as this is concerned. Maybe something else, but I think a bench is completely pointless. And another thing I don't like, although this is standard in so many camper vans, is that a fridge. It's just far too big. I mean, what do you need a fridge that size for? On the other hand, on the cooking front, the gas controls are easy to get to, and so I think it's very good. And another thing I like about this, look at, that's a very good size sink. So you get your large pans in there and you can wash them properly, unlike most camper vans where you can't. So that, I think, is a very, very positive sign. 3 burners, and really plenty of space for all your stuff going in the things up here. Get lots of stuff in there, books or whatever you might want to carry with you. I think this is, with the exception of this bench here, and I'm not certain what I would put in its place yet, I think this is a very nice layout. I like this.